Hyenas. Every cheetah's worst nightmare. The Tanobora have no choice but to sacrifice their hard-won meal. On the plains of Laikipia, the wild dogs are on the hunt. The chase is on. But they've picked the wrong impala. He's too fast and makes an easy escape. The dogs must regroup and start again. They need to push further and further away from the den to find food in this drying landscape. The dik-dik tries to hide in the undergrowth, but not for long. The tiny antelope has speed, but the dogs have stamina. There's no escape.